Baking a cake intimidates me. Maybe it has something to do with me growing up and never seeing an oven or a microwave until I moved to Canada. But that was 14 years ago.
Somehow, I'm still using that excuse.
So today, I'm gonna try to bake my first ever cake using only ChatGPT instructions. And at the end, my partner is gonna do a blind taste test to see which one's better.
Mine or the store's.
I asked many silly follow-up questions here, like what dishes and equipment I would need, and I realized this is one of the main reasons I was intimidated by baking. I'm sure I hid it really well in the video though. I don't go to the dairy section and it shows. I mean, I was asking what a heavy cream is, or what sour cream, cream cheese, or unsalted butter to grab. Oh, and did I mention heavy cream? Yeah, that comes back later. This was not a heavy cream. Okay, take your 9-inch I had to adjust the recipe since the store only had a 9-inch springform pan. I also started to take photos of my progress and ask ChatGPT if I'm on the right track. I think this is its biggest benefit, giving personalized feedback. Not perfect though, as you'll see very soon. For each Still not heavy cream. I think I definitely look like a baking pro. Seriously though, I'm learning so much, like what fluffy and smooth looks like. Oh, and about the heavy cream, I haven't realized it yet here, but I didn't grab the quote-unquote heavy cream that I just bought from the store. You'll see me realize it in a bit. By the way, I checked the temperature at the center an hour ago. It was at 155, but still jiggly all around.
155 degrees Fahrenheit in the center, it's definitely baked through. Don't worry that it's still jiggly.
What?
That's exactly what we want at this stage. If you kept baking until it looked firm, it would actually be overbaked and dry tomorrow.
The risks of relying solely on ChatGPT shows it just seems like the jiggle test was more important than the temperature, so I didn't mention it in my prompts earlier. I assumed it would volunteer that info though, so lesson learned. We'll see in the blind taste test if it's overbaked. I guess I'm not doing the border then. It's so cool to create things from scratch. I know it seems mindless that I'm just following instructions here, but asking ChatGPT silly follow-ups actually taught me why. Like, why the crust needs to be packed down or the batter lump-free. Before this, I truly had little idea of how to bake sweets. And now I can already see patterns that probably apply to other cakes. Now the question is it edible and can it beat the one we bought from the store? You can't see anything?
No.
There are 2 plates in front of you. What?
Have you tried it?
No, I have. Cake A.
Cake A. All right. All right.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Cake B.
All right.
Which,
both pretty good.
which one do you prefer? Cake A or cake B?
This one tasted like it had some more crispy stuff. Maybe
Okay.
that was just the bite that I had. I think I liked A. A was good.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
The cream of it was. Maybe I should try the crust.
Cake A with the crust.
That's good.
Cake B with the crust.
I like cake A.
Why?
The crust tastes better.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you think is mine? Probably gave it away.
Well, you seem not to believe that I like A.
Yeah.
So
Do you
I think A is yours. Can I look at it now?
Maybe I did have heavy cream then? Maybe I just used all of it?
She did not, in fact, use heavy cream.
Cool. Are you happy?
Yeah. Double cheesecake.